Hello, back to our channel Masai Assignment Solution, and today we are going to solve a little project. You can say a React assignment and whatever you say. But in this project, we are going to handle many things. Okay, so what we will do in this project? Let's see. We have a navbar. I don't apply any type of CSS here. That's why it's look little bit not good. But see, we have a login page, we have a home page, about, contact, and product page. Okay, and without login, if I go to product page, is it will redirect to me login page. Okay, so if I enter my okay, now I need okay password. Yeah, this is my password, and when I paste it and submit, then my login should be successful. And after login successful, I directly redirect to the home page. And if I click on the product page, then it will show me all type of product which one in our data. Okay, so that's all in this question we are going to do. So for this functionality, we do many things. So first of all, we we learn in this project routing. Okay, then we will run contacts API. Then we also apply login for post requests. And then if I want to see my product, so we also fetch our API and all data should be visible. So many type of things we are going to do in this project. Okay, and here you can see, if you go to my profile and go to my repository and then contacts and route. If I go to contacts and route in this repo, if you go to this problem and at here you can see readme file. Okay, if you click on the readme file, then you have all things you can see here. Okay, all type of question, or you can see a little assignment. Okay, you can see everything which one we will be build, and everything is giving step by step. If you follow these things step by step and what you need to build and how it will look like, we use. Okay, so first of all, this is our a assignment and a project. Okay, this is the best way to practice. If you want to practice of React assignment and React project, and so you can open my this one repo. Here you can see also code of this question, and you also practice your own. You can put your own effort if you stuck somewhere, and then you can see my code and take reference and solve your problem. And yeah, so practice makes you perfect. So let's go and see what we are going to do in this question, React routing authentication assignment. Okay, in this assignment we have this assignment. Okay, and this one already give us a boilerplate. Which type of boilerplate? Yeah, this one. So in this boilerplate, we have a auth context provider. Okay, then we have some page about contact, home, login. Okay, and some data already given you in this question. That's why you only need to mm, do all type of functionality. Okay, so don't write everything. And then we have product page, and after that we have all type of routing we will handle at here. Then we have navbar, then we have private route. Okay, and this is our app.js, and this one is our index.js. We have app at here. So, yeah. So first of all, we are going to see our question, what he said to us and what type of functionality we need to do. So these are the marks you will get if you able to do all type of these functionality. Okay. First is now bar presents all the pages. Okay. So we can see our now bar should be visible on all pages, and page is redirected to home component correctly on clicking home. Okay, whenever we click on the home page, we directly go to home page. If I click on the about page, then I go to home about page. If I click on the contact page, then I go to contact page, and product page is private. So what is private, I will explain you later. And auth is working properly, and login is redirect to home after authentication, and product page is working properly. Okay, this type of functionality we need to check. So first of all, in this question, we need to install 16.16 npm install. Okay, so first I am going to at here open a terminal, and at here I need to install this npm. Okay, I will also provide you provide you the quiz. This assignment link. If you are working on it, then please first install this one, and after that you need to what you do npm start. Okay, and now you can see when I click on the npm start. So yeah, so we directly open our page. You can first I need to write something into app.js. Hello Monday. Yeah. So if I go to one page, okay, yeah. Here you can see hello Mandeep is coming, means our app is working properly. So first we are going to, we have a app. In this app, we have this type of page. Then we have auth context provider, and we have route or route and private route, the feature to build. Okay, create a navbar and follow, which has a following link. We need a create a navbar, then we have this type of link in this, and authentication will be done using this API. They already give us this API. We will use this API for login. Okay, use fetch to make API request, and read API doc to find a credential of login. Okay, when I click on the navbar link, should redirect to the user to component and update URL at the same time. So when I click on the any user component, then my URL also should be updated. Okay, navbar should be visible on every page. Product page have only be accessible after the login. If we after whenever we log in, then product page should be visible, otherwise it will not show anything. Okay, so use this API to fetch the product. So we will use this API to fetch our product, and redirect user login page if we try to product page without login. If we are try to go on the product page without login, then it will redirect me on direct login page. You can see it here. Okay, when I go to, now my login is done. If I again refresh it, now see, if I'm going to product page, it directly redirect to me on login page. Okay, this is called private route. Yeah, I will explain you everything. Be patient little bit. So users should always redirect to home page when the login form is successfully submit. After the login successfully, then we directly redirect to home page. Login page should be accessible after login. Rather redirect to user to home page. Use private route component to achieve this. Use context API maintain state in application. So we need to use context API to manage every type of state. your initial state should have is auth is false. Okay, we have initial state is auth and it should be false. And how it should be look like this. Okay, when I go to product page, all product like this, I don't apply any type of CSS. That why it's look little bit weird, but it's okay. CSS is a basic part. We need to learn all type of functionality. This is our home page, contact page, about page, and login page. Okay, and then all things. So first of all, the first thing we are going to check nowhere is present on all the page. So now I am going to add my this application. First of all, we are going to do routing. So what is routing? See, when I explain you little bit, I don't explain too much. If you wanna learn more about routing and contacts API, so then go to other YouTube channel and search it. They will explain you what is this, but I will explain you basics of the all things. Okay, so what is routing? See, we have mm, these are the some roads. Okay, like this, and you are standing at here. Okay, so buses are coming and going, and whatever you want to go at any place you want to go at here, then you go this route. If you want to go here, you will go this route. If you want to go to here, so then you go to this route. Okay, so same like that in React. Okay, in React, whenever you want to go anything any page, if you want to go on home page, then you should have a path which one go to about page. Okay, if you want to go on contact page, then you should have a path which one go to contact page. Okay, and we create all type of path on all route. Okay, as many as pages you have, you will create your route. So first of all, I am going to create route. So the first thing is route. Okay, yeah, in this routes we have route. Yeah, so in this we have a path. Okay, and we have a path like that, and we have a element like that. Okay, so yeah, and now I am going to copy and paste as many as root I want you will be paste. So we have 3 and so 5. So 5. Okay, so first of all, it's give us some error. Why? Because we don't import our route. So first import route and route, and also routes. So both things should be imported from React router DOM. Okay. After import, we have first decide path. Okay. What is path? On login page, our login, and it's now we import our login. Yeah, enter it and go. Yeah, you can see here login automatically imported. Okay, and we have login, and we have also a path. Okay, so same like that. If we for home page we directly use slash, and now I am also imported home page. Yeah. So like that, we have also a contact page. So for this, I am writing a contact, and now I am imported my contact. Yeah. So now we have a path from after contact home about. Okay, about, and we are going to import about page. See, oh, little bit something wrong in this. Yeah. So now we have a product page also. So we are going to product page and product or product. Okay. See, now we have this one is our path. You can write anything here. Okay. It's on your hand. Okay, but it should be unique. Okay. You can't write two paths same. If I write at here also login, then it will give us some error. Okay, and we have pages like about. In the about, we export a about function. Okay, so we also imported about at here. Yeah, that one is our about. So that's all in the our all route page. Now we have all route, login, homepage, contact, about, and private. So now I am going to our navbar. So in the navbar, okay, 1 second. Yeah. So in the navbar, we should be fixed that all the pages are visible on the navbar. Okay, and navbar should be sticky on the every page. So first of all, we are going to handle. We have many links. That why we will use a const links object. Okay, and in the links, 1 second. No, yeah, no. We have directly array. Yeah. Now in this, first of all, we need to fix our root. Root means first of all I write 2, and 2 is equal. Okay, yeah, login. And now I have title. Whatever title you want to show on navbar. Okay, whatever. So title it should be like that. I can say login. Okay, but we have many paths at here. So okay, we have many objects and write commas here. Yeah. So now go to our all route and first copy this one contact and go to navbar and paste it at here contact. Here you can see a login for home page. At here you can see the see both should be same. Okay, always remember, otherwise it will not work. Now about where now going to uh, 1 second. Record. Okay, on air. So after now product page. Okay, copy it and go to navbar and paste it. Oh bhai, क्या हो गया? Okay, I write here product. Now whatever title you want, like that. Here I want to show home. Okay, At here I want to show contact me. At here I want to show about. At here I want to show product. Okay, now I need to, okay, this is our link, and at here we write every path, or you can say link, a one type of links. Okay, if I click on the login, then it directly redirect me on login page. If I click on the home title, then it will redirect to me on the home. So now I need to visible on the navbar all things. So for this I am going to apply map on width. Okay, so links dot map. Okay, we have this one. For here I should be written what I will be written. Okay, okay, 1 second please. So here I need to, okay, links. See, yeah, okay. So now what I will do, now we will import link from the React router. Import link from React router DOM. So now we imported our a link. Okay, and this link redirect to us. This one is already provided by React, and this link directly redirect to on this path. Okay, now I am going to link at here, and in this link we have a two means our path is like, what is path? A dot 2. Okay, we run a map function on link. This is our link. Okay, and in the link this one is our e means e work like this. E dot 2 means this path. Okay, and this path have this row, this, okay, this path. And now whenever I click on this path, then it directly redirect me on login page. Now go to first, 1 second, key. It should be without key is show us, say, yeah. And at here I want to show a dot title, whatever title we give, this one it will visible. So that's all in our navbar. So see, first we create a navbar function. In the navbar function we create a, we take a const link. Link is a array. In the array we have these links of every page. Okay, login page, home page, contact me, and about, you can say why contact me, and product page. And these links are come from all route from at here, login, home, contact. Okay, and then we imported, then we run a map function on links array, and we imported a link, and link is already give us by React router DOM. Whatever we give a link in this, uh, it will directly redirect, means without links this path is nothing. Okay, without link this path is nothing. So when we want to go to on this login page, for this we need link, or in the link we should give link, and we give also a key, and we also give a title. Now the main part is, first we will go to at here index.js. Here I need to import something. What is browser routing? I think I write correct spelling. 1 second, I will be check. Okay, browse router or browser router. Okay, R should be capital. Yeah. US. Okay, 1 second. I will explain you after that. Oh, okay, we did not define. Okay, first I need to import also. Import browser router from React router from. Now I think all things okay. It is given us an error. Import, okay, the first, why this error is coming? I think first I need to, yeah, now all fine. Yeah, now it's running fine. Now we will import our navbar on our app navbar. So now if I go to it here, yeah, you can see every page, login, home, contact, about, and product. Okay, every page is visible on our navbar. So now our routing is completed, but why don't know why it don't show data from the pages. Okay, 1 second. Okay, we also need to provide our route. Now I think it will, yeah, see, when I click on the about page, it will show about. I click on the contact page, it directly redirects to me on the contact page. If I click on the home page, it directly home page and product page, or product and login page, we have login. So that's all. So now what we need to do? Yeah. Now we have auth context provider. First, I am explaining you what is context. Okay, context API in React. Where is my pen? Yeah. See, what is context API provider? But just assume that we have 5 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And on the first page, we apply any state. Okay, in this state we have something data, some data have. Okay, okay, and now we see page number 5 need this data. So how you will send this data from page number 1 to page number 5? And so for that, first you will send data from 2 number page, then you will send data on 3 number page, then you will send data on 4 number page, and after that 5 received all type of data, which one he need. So for you can see how many proofs and how many things we need to handle for this. So for make it easy, we they React give us a context API. In this context API, this data is available. Okay, and now if number one page need this data, then it can be used directly from here. If number five need this data, then it can directly take it from at here. Then these pages are not depend on which page have data and how we will get. Okay, we have all type of data in our this store page. You can say this is a store of our project, and the which one is in this store, anyone can use it, update it, and everything whatever these pages want to do. Okay, page number 2 want to use this data, take it. Page number 3 want to this data, take it. Page number 4 want to update this data, take it and update it. Okay, so context API is only this one. Yeah, so now go to our context API. Syntax is little bit confusing. Okay, you need to remind the syntax of the context API, only thing. Otherwise it's so much easy, bro. If you know how to handle state, then it is nothing for you. So 1 second. Yeah, okay. So first of all, we need to create an auth context. So, and we also export, because we will import auth context on every page whenever we need data of this auth context. Okay, so 1 second. So first of all, auth context, export const, and here we use, first of all we create auth context, create context. Okay, and at here, yeah. So first of all, I need to import this create context from where React. Okay, now we have already created our auth context. Now we are going to create our function, export default function auth context provider. In this function we have a return also. So at here we take our every means, you can see at here what he said to us. At here you can see you should have initial state, should we have is auth. Okay, initial state is auth. So first I'm going to copy it. Now I'm going to here. Here I can handle a state, and here we have is auth, and we also set auth, and here I use state, and the initial state is false. Okay, and first I need to also import from the React also. So yeah, now we have isoth, set isoth, use state and false. So after that, okay, hmm, we have isoth. Okay, now what we need to do, we this function, which one, auth context provider. Now auth context dot provider. Yeah, from this we will provide our auth contacts on every page. Okay, and whatever you want to use from here to every page, give it a value, or in the value we give its auth. Okay, now I can import this auth context on whatever we want. Means we want this auth is auth on contact page. So first I import this one on our contact page, and then whatever the value I give us, this type of data about page can be used. Okay, so like that we can use also on contact page, we can also use on login page. Okay, so see, we will use izoth on login page. He said to us here, you can see, okay, we don't do private routing. Okay, we left private routing first. What we will do, private routing or login, whatever you want to do. I think it will take so much time. I don't know why. Okay, so 1 second, please. Yeah, so first we are going to complete all type of routing, and after that in the second part we will do our login page and other things. Okay, auth contacts now is completed, almost completed. We also handle a login here. I will explain you on next video. Okay, at login we use set auth is true, and we have a token. We Okay, set auth it is true. That's all in this, and we also need a login. Okay, because why we apply this function, because whenever our login is successful, then our age auth becomes true. Okay, now we are going to do our private routing. What is private routing? First of all, private routing have some condition. If we don't complete this condition, then it will don't redirect you on home page, on product page. See, go to routing. Yeah, at here you can see our all product. If I apply a condition on all product is that if my login is not successful, okay, then product page should not be visible. This is private routing, only that. In the private routing we give a condition. Okay, for that, like I I am doing private routing at here. 1 second. Yeah. So first of all, we knew we will use our auth context provider. You can see if our login is not successful, means the value of isoth is false. If login is successful, then the value of isoth become true. So this thing we will apply on private routing. So, 1st time we are going to use our, but First of all, auth context provider. We need to, at here, we import our auth context provider. And in this provider, we will, yeah, from this or whatever in our auth context, all things should be, can be used any page, anyone can use data from the auth context now. Okay, so always reminder these two things. Now go to private routing. And first of all, we will import our what I want to import is auth. And for this, I will use auth use context. In this use context, now I am going to import our auth context. This one is the syntax of our auth context. Okay, what is happening here? Why it is showing us an error? Okay, we don't need to import, it is const. Okay, see, in the see use context, what we'll do, its import is auth context, and now whatever in the auth context we can use it. In the auth context we have a is auth, we give us a value. Okay, go to auth context, see here we provide is auth. Okay, and now if I go to, so now I also can access login from login also. You can take any type of data from the auth context and you can use it. So here we are going to use it is auth. So now I'm going to const private route in the private route. Okay, we also send a children in the children in the children. Okay, now I am going to what we'll do return. Now I am going to return children. So now I am using is auth. If is auth is false. Okay, if is auth is false, then I am going to use one more functionality which one given us by React is navigate. Okay, return navigate. I am going to import navigate. Okay, import navigate. From React. So in the navigate, we will give a path to and this is our login. Okay, now I think our private route is also done, almost done. I think here we don't need to use this one. Okay, why I give us this children? You can see children means on which link you want to apply this private route. Okay, if I want to apply on product page, then see I want to apply on this product page. So this is our children of our private route. This one is children of our private route. So I think that's all in the private route. Okay, 1 second, I will check some error or not. Okay, I think all thing is good. Okay, we also need to export our private route. Yeah, private route, children and auth contacts. Okay, React router DOM, auth contacts is auth. Okay, use contacts. Okay, we don't import youth contacts. Okay, I made a mistake. It is not from React. It is come from React router DOM. Okay, and youth contacts also should be imported from React. Okay, now I think all thing is good. Okay, think not issue, any type of issue you have. Navigate should be imported and use contacts also import from React. Then we auth contacts from the auth contacts provider. We have is auth and okay. Now we are going to our route and now I am going to apply our private route. What is private route? Now we have this element. Okay, just enter it here. Okay, and just enter one enter format here. And now I'm going to import our my private route. Okay, after imported private route, just take it at middle at yeah. Now I think our private route is done. Okay, private route use context cannot be called on the top level of the React. What type of error in private route? Now, what is why this error is coming? This can call you top of the level. I think it should be come from come at here. Yeah. Okay. Now, Bhaiya, why this error is coming? Why? Okay. Use state is not a function. It's written a value. I travel type error. Okay. 1 second. So, okay. Anything is not display at here. I don't know why. So for this, I need to check. Okay. At here, we need to provide children a. Okay. We also need to provide at here children. And now we can see, yeah, everything is visible. So what this children is doing. So what is children? If I go to it here, you can see index.js. Then this one is the children of our auth context provider. Okay, so now whatever in the auth context provider, we can use into our app. So same thing is working in at here. This is children. And now this children is our go to all route. This product is our children. Okay, if you don't complete all condition, if our condition is not true in our private route, then it will don't redirect to on our product page. Okay, if I go to private page, we can see at here if auth context is false, then it directly navigate me on login page. Okay, so that's all in. So see, now if I go to it here, you can see I am on login page, home page, contact page, about page. If I click on the product page, it directly redirect me on login page. But whenever I go to private product page, it directly redirect me on login page. Why? Because my is earth is false. Is earth is false. Okay, because you can see at here in auth context, is auth is false. And now if uh, go to login page, okay, whenever we create a post request at here, and our login becomes successful, then we will call this login. Then we will call this login. Okay. And after calling this login, set auth is become true, and then is the value of is auth become true, and we can open our product page. Okay, about page. So this one is our first part of our this project. The rest of the thing we will see in our second part. And okay, so bye bye. See you on second part on this project, and where we create a login post request, and after that post request will be after that post request successful, then we directly redirect on the product page, and at here and the product page we will show all type of the our data that's all in left in our project. So okay, bye bye.